behalf of the mother, Milot, who wants to spend some time with her child. He's there with his father, Milot, and this petition was earlier filed as a habeas corpus petition, Milot. The child has been removed from
Lord, my only
custody
objection is
illegally, Milot.
two parallel proceedings are not maintainable as per my lord's judgment. Nirmala versus Kulwant Singh, they are, my lord, already fighting the, my lord, guardianship matter. Everything has been, my lord, taken care of there in guardianship matter. They are in guardianship, family court, high court, and
anyway, the court will consider whether or not to grant any relief next week.
my lord,
Please,
my lord,
Monday.
my lord.
Is there two applications for withdrawal, Millis, against order rejection of bail? A bill was filed. The court has issued notice, Millis, but the date given is on 18th July, Millis. 16/7, Millis. In the meantime, Millis, the charge sheet stands filed. So, Millis, this is an application seeking withdrawal. So that
Withdrawal of your bail application, SLP.
as bail SLP. Millis.
All right. Friday.
Much obliged.
This is an application for modification of the interim order. Now here, my lord, we are running a sugarcane, my lord, factory. Now the crushing season starts in October, November. We need to have certain things that have to be done, my lord. I have a loan sanction because of the interim order, my lord, which respectfully, my lord, may not have had the benefit of the some other aspects which I have placed in the application.
Milord, I'm opposing it.
Yes, he's opposing it, my lord, but I'm just requesting that it be listed. My application is for vacation of the interim order or modification of the interim order, so that, Lord, I can get the machinery, etc., ready, so that the crushing season is not.
Milord, this was listed on Wednesday.
Friday.
This was listed on Wednesday.
Yes, last
before
week.
bench 6.
Yes.
At the end of the board, the same mentioning was made. Bench 6 specifically thought it fit to list it on the 31st of July. It's a little unfair for the petitioner to say that this was not mentioned. It was mentioned before vacation. It was in the presence of counsel. Interim order was passed after hearing seniors, my lords. For both sides, seniors were present.
May I just place that?
No, is that correct?
My lord, it was mentioned 27th. It was then taken up on 29th. On 29th, it
also
could
it
not
was
be
mentioned.
taken up. Again, it was mentioned. Then they said no. But the court is today available.
What is the change circumstance from
There is none.
29 till today?
My lord,
There is none.
the only thing that's come in the listed mentioning, that's the only change circumstance. I will tell your lordship very fairly. But I'm requesting, let it be listed, or it can be rejected if my learned friend, what he's saying is, because the honorable judge whom it is before is available in this.
Milords, the same
That
learned
is
judge
not-
deemed
that
it
is
fit
my
to send it to
request.
July. The IA was specifically
IA.
mentioned.
If your lordship, yes,
Lordship,
lordship
the
deems it.
no, the IA was being led by Mr. Kaul. They are being led by Mr. Diwan. This, in that light, the court number 6 thought it fit to send it to July, Lordship. So I can't say more than that.
Same.
Everybody was present with us.
Both the.
Milords, only one of
My
them.
lord Justice Narasimha is available.
No. Let it come in July.
Lord, let it come on. I'm
No, no,
requesting
Mr. Pai, no.
Friday, my lord.
No.
The lordship can. Very well.
Next.
Obliged, Milords.
Item
806, Lord.
806.
Yes.
Yes.
He's an IAS officer.
Huh.
The tribunal had quashed the disciplinary proceeding against her. After 8 years, there was a disciplinary proceeding quashed by the CAT. After 8 years, High Court has reversed that. Your Lordship, I issued notice. Now, Lord, there was an assurance for 10 years by the ASG. They will not take any coercive steps against me. Now, after the notice, they have issued penalty order. So I have filed an IA for stay of that.
Your
What is
Lordship, I'm opposing this mentioning. This matter was last listed on the 27th of May, and in the presence of my learned friend, the date of 17 July has been
What
given.
is this?
And
You got
what
a
is
date
after?
before the regular bench and you are now asking for.
Lord, no, they had given us liberty.
Well, nothing will happen.
Given us liberty to
It
mention.
is listed immediately upon reopening.
No, but allow me, Lord. Your Lordship will see this order. On
The
15
penalty can be set in July. How does it matter?
No, please see this order. It was mentioned.
How does it matter?
Lord, it's a social stigma for me, Lord.
So social can.
Lord,
It
can
is
you
already
see
there.
this?
This penalty order has been passed. Whether it is state during vacations or after vacations, how
Lord,
does
please
it
see
make
this.
any
Lord,
difference?
please see this. For last 10 years.
Next case.
Lord,
Sorry.
please see. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. For last 10 years, Lord, there is an assurance. Your Lordship has seized of the issue. Immediately after Your Lordship issue notice, they come up with a penalty order. Lord, I mentioned it. Your Lordship listed on
What is the
27th.
date of the penalty order?
8th of May.
So on 27th May, you knew that the penalty order is there.
I mentioned Your Lordship listed
Yes,
it.
Your Lordship.
On 8th of
Yes.
May, the penalty order was passed. So on 27th May, you knew that there is a penalty order. Why did you not press for stay on that
It
date?
does not, it matter did not reach that day.
Very well.
It was
Thank you
last
very
matter.
much. Next
I'm
case.
saying this. Your Lordship will list
I'm
my IA.
obliged.
I'm
No.
saying,
Next.
list my IA any day.
Mr. Counsel, you said 7 times no. Next.
Okay.
I'm obliged.
My lords, I am appearing for the appellant. My lords, had video order dated 10th of November 2023 had already protected me from dispossession from the subject property.
Correct.
And I continue to comply with that order. Further video order dated 29th of April 2025, my lords had directed the parties to obtain instructions. But rather than complying with that, the respondent number 1, the liquidator, has now proceeded to issue an invitation for expression of interest. He has invited, so basically has started the publication. But my lords, it will, my lords,
The expression of interest is totally useless. Who will take possession from me so long interim order is operating from here?
my lords, I understand that, but my lords may list the matter for hearing rather than.
इनको जुलाई में डेट दे दीजिए. 14 July, not to be deleted on 14 July.
My lords.
Next. 808 कहाँ है? है?
My lord,
ये तो 808 ही था ना?
may I please, lords?
807 था? अच्छा, all right. Yes, 808.
It's your, my petition against the order of interim maintenance is pending, my lord. In the meanwhile, the trial court has issued recovery warrant against the petitioner, my lord. I am a student, my lord, and the recovery warrant has been issued against him, my lord. There's a good
When was the
possibility
recovery warrant issued?
against the interim order.
When?
Sir, my lord. 14th of October 25.
So now you want
Page number
the
4.
stay of that recovery order?
My lord, I am seeking to list the matter in this week, my lord.
October order was passed. Today in June you are asking for.
My lord, the possibility of settlement, the mediator has yet been appointed, my lord.
Very good. The mediator has been appointed. Go and settle it.
My lord, till now, till the pendency of my SLV, my lord, just stay of the warrant.
No.
My lord, the
9th of June.
Not the difficulties.
9th of June.
9th of June. Lord, please, obliged.
May I make a request, my lord? I am not mentioning for a listing. My lord, this is a matter, item 103 listed tomorrow. It was it's a regular matter. It was detached from the Bombay blast bunch. My lord, I am in some difficulty tomorrow. We have
Tomorrow's matter will
circulated a
be
letter.
taken.
We have circulated a letter, my lord, and just wanted to.
Tomorrow's this for hearing is out.
Yes, my lord.
Regular. Regular list comes only after what is left over today. There's a mistake there. Regular is also out.
103, it is listed, my lord.
These will be in addition.
All right.
Grateful, my lord.
Let somebody be here tomorrow also.
Somebody will be here on my behalf.
My lord, this is an anticipatory bail SLP.
Which?
My lord, the one that I am mentioning now.
Huh.
My lord,
Where is this?
it is
Where
registered.
is this?
No, lord, it's not there in the list. It is registered but anticipatory. May I request my lord to have it on Friday?
Why?
Because of the anticipatory bail prayer, my lord.
It is a fresh matter.
Press matter registered,
Huh.
but I am requesting my lord to have it on 5th.
Not Friday. We can have it next week. 9th June. In anticipatory bail. Court, next week. 9th को लगा दी. 9th.
Very well.
Give the details to the
I
register.
am giving it, my lord.
With your lordship's kind permission, can I mention 3 interim applications which are been filed in 2020 for your lordships? One of which is my intervention application. Your lordships, the urgency.
Why are you mentioning like this?
Your
Where
lordship,
is your mentioning board? You are not come through mentioning board.
your lordships, we filed the urgency list. I have the mentioning note also.
No, mentioning note are all accepted by the registry. I have already given instructions. If you don't file it, then I will not hearing you. No.
Lordships,
File it. We will hear you tomorrow.
I only have an urgency on the aspect that this matter needs to be listed on Friday, your lordships.
That may
There's
be
a-
your consideration, but you have to come through a proper channel, not like this.
Appreciate your lordships. We've even circulated it to the other sides also.
Maybe you have circulated to the side, but you should give it to the registry first. Then it will come on that mentioning board. You see, today there were 8 matters.
Lordships, there is an urgency. Your lordships only on the urgency aspect. That's the only thing that I was seeing.
Only if heavens are falling, there is urgency. Otherwise, not. Are heavens falling today? No.
Not your lordships. Much obliged.
Hold on. Keep your hands up.
Much obliged.
Next.
Your lordships, may I please mention item number 106 in today's list?
Yes.
I'm seeking an accommodation. The petition.
106. Letter is already there. There is already a letter circulated.
I'm on instructions that the letter was not accepted by the AOI.
No, it is accepted.
I'm grateful, your lordships.
Any more mentioning? No. Yes.
Lords, may I mention item 111 for today's list, my lords? Lords, I decline all the regular matters for me, which is coming in the regular bench, my lords. But any of these matters listed for today, I am seeking accommodation, my lords.
No letter circulated.
No letter, sir.
All right. 111 को एडजस्ट कर दिए, नोट कर लीजिए, कॉल आउट होगा तो कर देंगे.
I'm grateful, my lords.
Yes.
Lordship, I am
Yes.
one.
Item 1 who's appearing.
Item number 1, Your Lordship. Appear in BC. Your Lordship,
Who appears for the state?
State Mr. Nishay Rajan Shankar is appearing. Yeah, he's on live.
My lords, I am appearing for the state, my lords.
Yes. So, batao, what do you say?
My lords, he has undergone 8 years, 10 months, my lord, as of now.
Oh, suspension of sentence.
Yes,
Third
Your Lord.
counsel for the parties, considering the fact and circumstances of the case, and also the fact that the petitioner has undergone 8 years and 11 months. The appeal before the High Court is still pending.
No, Your Lordship.
My lords, it's SLP.
SLP is pending here. Okay.
Yeah.
इसमें लीव ग्रांट करके बेल ग्रांट सस्पेंड कर दी सेंटेंस. Very well.
Grateful.
Grateful, my lords.
Private detention. Although there is no injury on this.
A letter has been circulated in this. I'm praying that it may be taken up on the reopening week, my lords.
Item 2.
My lords.
Notice the issue.
They got listed, my lords, in the first week on the.
Letter.
My lords, reopening.
Adjourned in terms of the letter. There are other matters also. You are appearing in other matters also?
No, my lords, another matter also from the same FIR. Item 3. Item 3, my lords.
Item 3, then 26.
26
It's a fresh matter.
is a fresh matter that's coming today, my lords.
All of you want adjournment?
Only item 2, my lords. The letter has been. We are not seeking adjournment, Lord. I am 26.
You're not seeking adjournment?
Yeah, before.
Item 3? What do you want? You want to argue? Are you sure? 2 is adjourned. All right. 2 is adjourned. 3 we will
It's
get.
reopening, my lords. May it be listed.
It will come reopening. List in after 13 July.
Grateful, my lords.
Next.
Yes.
Yes.
3 counter there.
My lord, we have challenged the grounds of arrest wherein proper grounds of arrest were not communicated in writing as per the judgment.
All that has been considered and dealt with, sir.
No, my lord, it was not
Consider
considered.
the gravity of the offense and the nature of offense and the cartel that all of you have formed with government officers, bureaucrats, agents, liaisonists, everyone working. You still have a chance. You want to argue in July, we can spare you. Otherwise, we are inclined to dismiss.
My lord,
We are giving you that chance. And 26 also.
26 and 3, they are not identically placed. I'll just indicate.
Right. So we are
Kindly allow me,
dismissing
Lord, a
3
minute.
also and 26 also.
I'm hearing. Just allow me a minute.
We are giving you that opportunity to argue in July.
my lord,
We can, Lord, but kindly just see one aspect. The state, Lord, in 3 has filed its counter affidavit.
Yes.
26, Lord, is identical to 3. Both are, Lord, directors. Both cases, Lord, grounds of arrest. In my case, Lord, a counter affidavit has not come. I am fresh before your lordships in item 26. In 3, the grounds of arrest, Lord, admittedly supplied as per them only to the accused, not to, Lord, the family of the accused, which is now the mandate as per Vihan Kumar. Kindly have Vihan Kumar for a minute with me, Lord. Justice Koteshwar Singh, Lord, in the supplementary concurring opinion, has, Lord, elevated the right of 50A, Lord, which is now which is now, my lord, 48 BNSS, saying that the grounds of arrest also need to be supplied to the family member. Admittedly, at least in 3, because 26, my lord, there is no counter affidavit. Whether there is a grounds of arrest or not, I don't know. In 3, even at the worst, the grounds of arrest have not been supplied to the family member, which is, my lord, a clear violation of Vihan Kumar. Kindly just have that paragraph. Just can you pass over?
You want to continue to argue? We have indicated our mind very clearly. We are conscious of your argument on your grounds which you have taken.
So, my lord, I am only asking them one aspect.
Then you take it in July.
So, my lord, 3 notice has been issued, counter is filed.
We are not issuing notice in.
Place.
What rejoinder will also have it next week, my lords, because there is something which needs to be pointed out in our rejoinder, my lords.
लिखिए इसको दोनों को लिस्ट इन जुलाई कर दीजिए 13 जुलाई
Notice in 26.
No.
Lord is identical to 3. At
Next.
least by then, Lord, a counter affidavit will come.
very well there is no hurry for you to come out
My lord,
Lord, we'll address.
my lord, my submission is that, my lord, I would like to withdraw it and I would place a regular bill directly before the High Court with the permission of the court, my lord.
you want that we can do that
Yes, my lord. We can file it directly with the High Court.
Three. Are in item number
3, my lord.
both of you
Yes, yes, two petitioners.
two petitioners
Yes.
item 3 में लिखिए learned counsel for the petitioner states that the present petition may be allowed to be withdrawn with liberty to the petitioners to approach the trial court by way of regular bail
High Court, sir.
How can regular bail is not maintainable? Regular bail, how can?
They have been already rejected.
regular bail
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Well, let's
approach the high court for regular bail will you
26, your lordship ने then.
July
And one more indulgence, my lords, the High Court may dispose it of in a time,
No.
my lord.
don't ask for that order next
In 26, Lord, could I only not pray for notice only so that Lord, a counter affidavit can come, it will get Lord disposed of.
let it got out we will deal with them
Lord, if your lordships can only consider notice, Lord, it's already come in 3. They are now.
you saw what happened to 3
Lord, otherwise, argued it with them, they are withdrawing it. So kindly, Lord, let the counter affidavit come in
No.
26. That's my only limited.
we are not inclined to issue notice also next
So, Lord, July, your lordship will give it in first week.
yes
First week.
15 July
Lordship, apply.
item 4 yes
My lordship, I am the victim here
yes
and I have not been heard before the High Court, my lordship. The High Court order, says that the bail has been granted only on the point of delay of filing of the FIR, my lordship.
yes
The delay was on the part of the police, my lordship. I made the first complaint I had given to the police was on 14th. Thereafter, I made a telephonic call also. I had given the complaint on 18 itself. And then during this whole time, they were trying to mediate, my lordship. The victim with the accused had criminal antecedents, my lordship, which was not taken into consideration. And they had only gone on the registration of the FIR, which was a delay on the part of the police. My lordship, there was
all right that's all dismiss next
my lordship, but we need to be heard, my lordship. There was only a delay of
All right,
9
next
days,
case.
my lordship.
next case
In item 5,
Wait for a minute.
yes
10 out of 11 has been granted, your lordship, regular bail, your lordship. Similarly placed co-accused has also been granted bail wide order dated, your lordship, 18/5/2026, your lordship. I have placed those orders, my lord. It's in additional as well as in my SLP paper book also, your lordship, at page number.
इनको भी जुलाई में लगा देते को argue in July only
My lord,
safer for you
my lord, I will. My lord. Oblige, your lordship.
when do you want it July what date
First week, your lord.
first week only
First week.
15 July
My lord, oblige, your lordship.
My lord, in item 6, my lord,
yes
I'm
you heard what we said yesterday Mr. Suryakant
I read it in the newspaper. I read it in the newspaper. But my lord, my only submission is that he was arrested in 2022. Till
Right.
date, as per my instructions, there is no progress in trial, my lord.
very well
As per my instructions, sir.
only we are not inclined to entertain this petition for grant of bail. However, considering the fact that the petitioner has been in custody since November 2022,
My lord.
we direct the trial court to conclude the same within a period of 2 years.
My lord, it will be
Without saying
2
that
years.
prosecution and the defense will
It
extend
will
all
be.
cooperation in the trial. Yes.
Lordship, I only mentioned that trial may be concluded expeditiously, my lord.
No.
My lord.
Next.
This is another one. The Lordship, I am for the petitioner in this case. Particularly, I am since in the custody for about 3 years, 11 months, and 19 days.
How you have a very glorious history. Past.
We acknowledge that.
You acknowledge
but
that.
We acknowledge that
It's
there are
safer
18,
for you
18
that you stay inside only.
Your Lordship, there are 18 cases pending. As per our knowledge, he is in custody. As per our limited knowledge, all in majority of the cases, he is on bail.
Bail, very good. So now there is no need for you to come out at all. Dismissed. Next.
Your Lordship, kindly grant us liberty to withdraw.
Well, you are dismissed as withdrawn. Next.
Obliged.
I'm appearing for the lessee in this matter, my lord. This is a lease of 140 years old, my lord, and its respondent is a state within the definition of Article 12, my lord. Now, I'm a tenant, my lord, and they have filed a suit before the small causes court instead of filing it before it's a port trust, my lord. Now, my lord.
All that argument has been considered.
No, my lord. High Court has not given any reasoning on that.
Like this?
High Court has not given any reasoning on that. There is another ground also, my lord. One more. High Court has not given any valid reasoning on that. Second, my lord, there is the eviction which is taken, my lord. It is not based on any public. I mean, there is no requirement for the purpose of any public goodness, my lord. So, my lord, this is arbitrariness on the basis of the state, my lord.
That's all. Dismissed. No.
No, my lord. The procedure which is followed, my lord, is not
Next case.
process. The jurisdiction as well as Article 14 is violated, my lord.
Not at all. Next case. Yes, item 9.
Maybe taken as withdrawn, my lord.
Dismissed as withdrawn. Very well.
Item 9, 2nd June 2021, there's a leave and license agreement. And then 2 days later, there's an MOU, which is an amended portion of the leave and license agreement.
Yes.
According to the MOU, the license period is still continuing. If my lords may just have page 19 for a moment.
Show us that document, the license is still continuing.
Yes, my lords may have the MOU for a moment.
The finding is otherwise.
Page 62, absolutely. Page 62. Clause 3 and clause 6. What happened is that
this is dated
June
4th June 21.
This is the leave and license is 2nd June. The MOU is 4th June, 2 days later.
Yes.
So what happened is that on 2nd of June, I did not see the apartment. It was a completely bare bones apartment. 2 days later, I entered into an agreement with the owner because both of us realized that I will have to do substantial alteration and modification. So he said, okay, very well. You invest 50 lakhs into this apartment. And this 50 lakhs will then be treated as the alteration/modification amount. And until and unless this 50 lakhs is repaid by him, along with the 3 lakhs as security deposit, so total of 53 lakhs, I will continue to reside in the premises. That is what clause 3 and clause 6 says.
Let us see.
Yes, madam. Page 62.
62, yes.
The party of the first part, if failed to pay the amount of alteration and modification charges of 50 lakhs, the party of the first part has agreed and confirmed that...
The first part is the owner.
First part is the owner.
And you are the second party.
Yes.
Yes.
Not to take the monthly compensation rent amount and possession of said flat until entire amount will be paid to the party of second part before expiry of leave and license agreement dated 2nd of June 2021 without prior notice. It is solely responsible of the party of the first part to give the entire amount of 53 lakhs a month before taking the possession of the flat from the party of the second part. Clause 6 of my lords may also have. Both parties agree. And my lord, my leave to defend is also not taken.
Rendable within 4 weeks.
Lord, I will require interim protection, my lord.
What protection do you want?
Because otherwise there is a
What
warrant
stay do you want?
of possession. So that
What
warrant of
stay do you want? We are asking you.
Against the execution.
All right.
My lords may maintain status quo if possible.
The decree of eviction shall not be executed.
Yes. Grateful.
Shall not be put into execution.
Grateful.
Please, Your Lordship, this matter pertains to the election of the committee of management of the school
and not the society. Here's where the distinguishment lies, Your Lordships, and this is where the impugned High Court in the division bench goes wrong, Your Lordships. What happens, Your Lordships, is the regional level committee, which has the power under the UP Intermediate Act to decide all disputes with respect to the management of the institution, passes an order. This order is dated 22nd February 2025. Now, as per this order, the elections of the institution were to be held within a 1 month time.
The Committee of Management.
Of the school, yes, Your Lordships. And they were supposed to use the list which was approved with the order dated 26 June 2023. Elections are not held within a period of 1 month. Your Lordships, we approach the Honorable High Court. High Court says, you please hold elections, directs the DIOS to hold elections. And if there is any legal impediment, they are supposed to inform me. Your Lordships, thereafter, the Joint Director also writes letters to the DIOS to hold elections. What the DIOS eventually does is, on 14 January 2026, he says that, look, I have sought certain clarifications from the Assistant Registrar, and therefore I am not able to hold any election. Now, Assistant Registrar has nothing to do here, because Assistant Registrar's power are only with respect to Committee of Management of the Society.
But the Assistant Registrar will definitely provide the list of members.
I'll answer that, Your Lordships. There is a list of members of the provided by the Assistant Registrar, which is of 2023, Your Lordships. This is what the regional level committee says, that you hold elections on the basis of that 2023 list provided by the Assistant Registrar. Don't wait for any further list, because the school is suffering, Your Lordships. There is no committee.
So, how are you, which part of the order are you aggrieved with? Come to paragraph 20.
Please, Your Lordships. Your Lordships, may kindly have the order. Now, Lordships, what they do is, Lordships, may kindly see paragraph 20.
Yes.
Subclause 5, Your Lordships.
Yes.
It is directed that elections held. Now, single judge directs that elections be held. Elections are held.
So, therefore, we are saying, read paragraph 20 as a whole, and let us see how are you aggrieved.
Please, Your Lordships. The election shall not be given effect till the disposal of the writ petition. Your Lordships.
No, that is Roman 5 you are reading.
Please, Your Lordships.
Paragraph 20, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please, Your Lordships. I'll just explain that. The writ petitions are directed to implead the present appellant as respondent number 6.
Right.
Now, present appellant was the one who was there before the regional committee. Regional committee heard him out. And that's...
No, in the writ petition which is pending before the High Court.
Please, Your Lordships. Can I show that order, Your Lordships? The single judge's order. This is the writ petition which is pending. Can I show that order, Your Lordships?
14066 is the writ petition.
Please, Your Lordships.
Where the division bench has directed that the appellant should be impleaded.
That's the same writ petition wherein the single judge calls the DIOS and says, why are you not...
Therefore, in that writ petition, the appellant herein is not impleaded. That is the difficulty. Therefore, the division bench said that you implead him and let that petition be decided finally. Until then, the results may not be declared. It's a very reasonable and a fair order.
I'll explain that, Your Lordship. Just give me an opportunity. Your Lordship, this election...
Go and pursue your 14066 where you got that order for holding the elections. Get it decided.
I'll show that difficulty.
After giving opportunity to the other side. That's all.
I'll explain that, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, see, on that same paragraph 20, Your Lordships are reading. I'll just make an endeavor to satisfy Your Lordships on that.
And the court has also fixed a date on 25th May. What happened?
Your Lordship, the matter did not reach.
The matter did not reach?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Very well.
Your
And
Lordship,
affidavits are to be exchanged before 10th of July.
Your Lordship, kindly see.
And there is already a request to the single judge to decide the matter expeditiously. What more could you have got?
Can I just explain one point, Your Lordships? Para 20, sub-Roman 2, Your Lordships. Writ C 14066 shall be listed with the matter Writ C 42877.
Yes.
Your Lordship, 42877 will take a long time to get decided. Why? Because that concerns the society. That's exactly what my submission. Now, if you
the whole issue is as to whether what is the electoral role of the society. So once the electoral college is decided in that petition, only then the committee will be properly constituted. Otherwise, not.
Your Lordship, can I show 2 pages and not beyond?
No, miss.
Arguments there, Your
No,
Lordship.
miss, I know.
Your
You
Lordship,
argued it very well, but then...
Your Lordship, just one option. Just 2 pages and not beyond. Just 2 pages and not beyond, Your Lordships. Just 2 pages.
All right.
Your Lordships, may kindly see the regional level committee order. Relevant part, Your Lordships. It is regional level order starts from page 110, Your Lordships. May just kindly see 1 page. Page 238 and not beyond, Your Lordships.
Yes.
Page 238.
238.
Have it.
Yes.
RLC directs, resolves that utilizing the list of members of the general body of the school society as validated with the order dated 26 June 2023
Correct.
for school. Now, in the second round of, in that order, when the election is not held, please have page 272. This is the second round of litigation that's happening. Please have 272. That's an order of a previous bench.
This is nothing unusual, Miss Sai. All these societies, somebody establishes it and then some outsider comes in, he takes over as principal and then he gets hold of all the records and then he starts manipulating. And that's how two rival factions are set up.
What is
You and I come from the same state, so we know everywhere is the same.
The order, they don't challenge this order. Now in my subsequent, you're not just one page.
Now, go and follow it up. Look here, dismiss.
Can I just-
You want to withdraw it?
No, Your Lordship, that it be decided in a time-bound manner.
That's what the High Court division bench has already
The
said.
matters are not reaching, Your Lordships. The matters don't reach, Your Lordships. Lordship will just say expeditiously.
No. Next.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lord, we are aggrieved with just
Item
11, my lord.
Yes.
We are aggrieved with just the operative portion, my lord, where the High Court has straight away directed that as the property, do it within 60 days or you will have to face this.
We will send you to jail.
My lord. He has already been.
What is this?
No, my lord, our only.
Your disabled child is being taken care of by the first wife and you don't want to pay 4,000 rupees as maintenance.
My lord, we have already given.
You have remarried and have 6 children. For the second wife.
Page 97.
How unfair is that?
For a minute, page 97, my lord.
Mr. Counsel,
My lord.
you withdraw this, otherwise we'll issue notice for enhancement and also make sure that we get it recovered
We will withdraw it, my
by
lord.
this court only.
We will withdraw it, my lord. Our difficulties, we have already shared property with them.
Run,
That is not being accounted for.
run before we start imposing costs and increasing the maintenance.
Lord, we will withdraw.
Dismiss as withdrawn.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
And my lord, Justice Mohana, we
Yes.
welcome, my lord. We are very happy.
We are also very happy. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordships, a relationship for 3 years continued. FIR says either marry me or face the consequences. High Court says cognizable offense, that's why we are not questioning it.
Correct. What is wrong in that?
So, Your Lordship,
And whatever material you want to place, you place it before the IO. He will submit a report whether charges are made out or not. Even then go to the, he'll submit a charge sheet or exonerate.
High Court order says
accordingly.
charge sheet is being filed.
Huh?
High Court order says charge sheet is being filed. Kindly see your
Charge sheet will be filed after proper investigation when you submit the documents. Go and submit the documents. That liberty has been given. Yes.
No, Your Lordship, may I submit? The FIR itself shows that's a coercion method. Why I will face the consequences, whether they filed a charge sheet or not, Your Lordship, we moved for a question, Your Lordships.
Okay, all right. Dismiss next.
Your Lordship, allow me to withdraw, we will place the document
Yes,
before the
very good. Dismiss as withdrawn. Next.
Item 13, Your Lordship, we are requesting for a 2 months adjournment so that the consent terms may be worked out.
May I please, Your Lordship, I am appearing for the respondent, Lordship. I have only one submission to make. I am not opposing the adjournment. I have only one submission to make, Your Lordship. Lordship, settlement has been raised between the parties, Lordship. However, in settlement also covers one 498A matter, Lordship, which is pending before the Jaipur court, Lordship. In that case, date is fixed for 15th of June for framing of charge, Lordship. That proceeding may be a state, Lordship.
That is also our consent terms.
Yes,
Subsequent to
yes.
steps have to be taken with respect to that.
And Lordship, there is one more submission, subject to my Lord's
You
permission.
said one submission, now one more submission.
My Lord, just one submission, my Lord.
Yes.
If my Lords may have the mediation report, my Lord, the settlement part, it also covers one civil dispute pending before the Gurugram court, Lordship, which has not been covered which is not settled in this, my Lord. If my Lords permit, then we can start further mediation to cover that dispute also, because once amount is paid, everything will be every proceeding should be covered, my Lord.
To finally work out the settlement which has already been.
We are working on it, Lordship. We are working on it. We have also paid the amount, Lordship.
Yes, that's what we are saying.
The current settlement agreement.
Accordingly, the case is adjourned. Let it be listed again on 20th July.
Your Lordship, the consent terms have laid down already what is the method of payment, etc. perhaps what Mr. Prashant Kumar is asking for his client is that the third matter, which is not part of the consent terms, may be sent for mediation. The
Yes,
other
my
two
lord.
matters are already covered by the consent terms.
Can
and
you
may
tell us
be
one thing? If you are, 1 minute, if you are settling everything, why not the third matter also?
Yes, my
Your
lord.
Lordship, that is pertaining to a property dispute where they had not been able to resolve the issues.
We can try afresh, my lord.
Very well. But then these consent terms should not be put to naught because they've come with great difficulty.
No.
No, both of you come to court and argue the matter, otherwise it's very difficult to understand what you're saying.
My lords, the third.
Come in July.
Very well, very well.
Adjourned in terms of the letter, list on 15 July.
My lord,
Next.
may I just make one request, my lord?
Mr. Prashant Kumar, come in July and argue the matter.
My lord, Lordship, what I am requesting is the third matter may also be referred to mediation and we can utilize this time also, my lord.
Not like this, huh? Next.
Appearing for the petitioner, we have successfully settled the matter in the mediation center. They have to hand over 7.5 lakh rupees ED to me.
Terms of that.
Where are the terms of the settlement? It is here. 23rd April 2020.
6 years. Annexure A1, page 10.
There are no children out of the matter?
Push you.
No, there is not.
There is? So one is you want a decree of divorce.
Yes.
The other is quashing of all the pending cases.
There is only one case, ma'am.
And 750 to be paid today. You pay?
Demand draft.
You have a photocopy of this?
That is in the settlement.
In the
Here,
agreement
next
itself,
year,
your lordships. It's at
ADBA
page
Bank.
16, your lordships, of the joint application.
30th of March.
Today?
Sir, it's there, ma'am.
Yes. 30th of March 2026, IDBI Bank, Civil Lines, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Drawn in favor of Mansi Gambhir. Correct?
Yes.
So is it still valid?
Mansi Gambhir.
Huh?
The name is still Mansi Gambhir.
Is the draft still valid?
Yes, your lordships.
3 months.
Yes, your lordships.
So 30th March, April, May, June, 30th June. Court master, इनकी आइए allow कर दिए for directions. Decree of divorce by mutual consent under 142. Next, quashing of all the cases. And third, the amount of rupees 7,50,000 paid today by way of demand draft drawn on IDBI Bank dated 30th March 2026 in favor of the respondent petitioner.
Petition.
Yes.
The settlement agreement shall be form part of the order. Very well.
Please, Lord. Obliged.
Yes, please, madam. It's a transfer petition from Saket Court, Delhi to the Bombay District Court, Family Court. The complainant has filed an FIR in the Mumbai as well, and also the divorce proceedings in the Mumbai.
Delhi to Mumbai.
This is a criminal case. You want to transfer?
Yes.
Who has filed the criminal case?
We only have filed the criminal case. Earlier, she was living here in the matrimonial home since December 2025. But then, till the March 2026, the aunt which was living there, she harassed her and also took the. There was a medical injury as well at P3, page number 101.
Case.
And she got an injury, and then only she went to her matrimonial home, and there she filed all the rest of the cases, because here she was not even allowed to live properly. She was recorded. The basic necessities were also not given to her.
Notice कर दो. Issue notice stay कर दी.
Stay. Very
You see your own complaint which is being stayed.
But then we have to. Very great.
Very well. Stay कर दी. Item 16. Yes.
Dispute on order.
My lord,
Anticipatory bail in a murder case.
my lord, 7 cases, all arising from single incident, my lord. Single incident of civil dispute. The whole case is of April 2024. Charge sheet has already filed, my lord. In case diary in charge sheet, my name is not there. Main shooter Vipin Kumar has been arrested. His aide has been arrested. Now main role has come of Dharmendra Kumar, my lord. The deceased has murdered brother of Dharmendra Kumar, my lord. I have annexed this FIR. Please come page number 65, my lord. So in retaliation of that, Dharmendra Kumar has murdered deceased. And that role has come in the charge sheet, and therefore Dharmendra Kumar was arrested, my lord.
All right.
On the date of incident, my lord, on the date.
Argue all this in your regular bail, not anticipatory
My
bail.
lord, on the date of incident, I was not there.
Dismiss.
My
Next
lord,
case.
only one thing. May I file the charge sheet? In this case,
No.
charge sheet has been filed. My
Maybe.
lord, may permit me to.
To surrender and take bail based on the charge
My
sheet.
lord, no,
You are not granting anticipatory bail in murder cases. No.
Till now, no role has been assigned
Very
to
well.
me.
Next case. That will be good ground for you to get bail. Yes.
Please, my lords. Allegation against me is that I have been duped. I have duped the complainant of 29 lakhs in the name of
Everything
sending.
is all right. But you provided forced tickets to the person
No, my
who went
lords,
to the airport and came back.
my lords,
Twice.
that's the arbitrary order against me, my lords. That's a mistake made by the High Court, my lords.
Will also go and give this.
My lords, that fact can be examined. That
notice.
can be,
Very well. You should notice pre-arrest bail.
my lords, no coercive action till then.
Yes.
Much obliged, my lord.
Your Lordship, permit me to withdraw this petition, Your Lordship.
Yeah, better. All right.
Change in circumstances.
Huh?
There are change in circumstances.
Change
Your
in
Lordship.
circumstances. Very well. Dismiss that withdrawn.
After 10 days, this FIR came to be registered. Thereafter, Milots, police investigated comprehensively, submitted a closure report. Now, Milots, the magistrate rightly, Milots, did not accept it under 190 Milots proceeded. Now, Milots, I am aggrieved by the summoning order, Milots, and I filed an anticipatory. Now, Lordship may see, admittedly, she is not a minor. Lordship may see, Milots, after that, what she has done. She has, Milots, trapped another buyer and, Milots, entered into a marriage. There is a marriage agreement, Milots, there is a certificate, marriage certificate at page 27. Lordship may see that, Milots. She is a major. Page 25. Lordship may see that.
You filed a closure report. Victim of party.
Yes, Milots. Yes,
She's a party.
Yes, Milots. Mandatory, Milots. I have.
Very well. Issue notice.
Lordship accepting notice on behalf of the state of Bihar, Lordship.
State, yes.
And for the state, Lordship.
State. In terms of the new secular, Milots, state is appearing.
Yes.
You have to serve the complainant.
Complaint goes. Notice will go to the respondent only. Very well. Pre-arrest bail protocol.
Much obliged.
Wait, please, my lords.
Yes.
The allegation against me is that in lieu of allotment of providing the inspection report, my lords, I had asked for a certain demand. I had raised a demand of 1 lakh rupees. However, my lords, there were 2 things that were under my control. One was the providing of inspection report. Inspection report, my
Are you
lords.
being dismissed or not so far?
Yes, my lords. I have.
Dismissed?
Yes, my lords. I have been suspended from the service. I have suspended from.
Under suspension?
Yes, my lords. I'm
All
suspended.
right. Likhit issue notice, so and so put in appearance on behalf of state of Chhattisgarh. Granted 4 weeks time to file counter affidavit.
I'm grateful, my lords.
2 weeks time to petitioner to file rejoinder. List again on 16 July.
I'm grateful, my lords.
Yes, my lords. My lords, I wanted to file some additional documents. Kindly grant me 2 weeks to file the additional documents.
What will you file in this? You are unnecessarily harassing the owner.
No, my lords, on
He
the
has
name
been not able to enjoy the fruits of his degree. In execution, he is taking all objection.
my lords, in the name of
Conflict is good in
execution proceedings, instead of executing 1,888,
All right, how much time do you want?
2 weeks, my lords.
Likhit counsel for the petitioner praised for and granted 2 weeks time. List on 15 July 2026. It is made clear that mere pendency of this petition shall not be used or treated as any kind of protection to the petitioner. The executing court will proceed in accordance to law.
Highly obliged.
Otherwise, this is matter is pending.
Lordship, I am for petitioner. Petitioners are challenging the decision of Aurangabad bench of Bombay High Court by which the High Court has held. Lordship, may I continue?
Who's appearing in item 22?
Audible, I am
Yes,
appearing on
Lordship.
a caveat.
Lordship, may I continue? I am for petitioner.
Yes, before my learned friend begins, I have to point out that there are orders passed by the principal bench in the Bombay
Lordship,
High Court in
I
identical matter.
am relying on that. I am on that order
week.
also. I am relying on that.
1 minute.
Lordship, may I
Yes,
continue?
but there are 34 Zilla Parishads.
This
Yes,
matter will
Lordship,
come up
I am-
next week. इसको लिख दीजिए.
The process of now the promotion is started by Kolhapur Jilla Parishad.
8th of June.
That's why I want interim relief.
On 8th of June, on Monday, you press for your
Okay,
interim.
Lordship. I am grateful, Lordship. Grateful, Lordship. Notice may be issued. Notice may be issued.
Your Honor, that day when I applied, at that time I was UGC qualified, Page no 45, page no 45. Page no 45.
No, qualifying net is something different.
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the problem in your qualification? Master's degree.
Yeah, I'm coming
When
on
did you get your master's degree?
the day when I appeared to the exam, I was
Forget the date of exam. It is the date of submission, last date for submission of the application form.
two submissions. Page 45, page 45. Two submissions only. Two submissions. Page no 45, page no 45. Two submissions only. Para B.
Yes.
Candidate who are pursuing the master's degree, I was pursuing the master, I was in the final year. Then I qualified the GRF. Now coming to the, my difficulty, page no 15, page no 15 of the order, impure order.
Yes.
Furthermore, we may note that there may be candidate who are senior to the petitioners and already possess the qualifications since there are limited number of seats in case petitioners are permitted to participate in selection process merely on the assumption by the time the selection was completed, they would have been qualified, are likely to affect the seat of the available. Seniority cannot be in my understanding, seniority cannot be a ground, It is a meritocracy, Seniority is by default,
Please understand one thing.
Yes, sir.
When there is an advertisement and it specifically provides that on the last date of submission of application form, you must possess all the eligibility. And if you don't have that eligibility and you acquire it subsequently, then what is happening is there could be thousands of other candidates who would have been appearing in master's course. They could have also applied. Otherwise, then there is no point.
But they should have filed
All right.
Pass the PhD.
No. Dismissed. Next.
No, I applied because I had...
Next case. Merely because you applied doesn't mean that you must get that relief.
But I am for the petitioner. Now I am left in a quandary, my lord, because there is no bench which will decide my case in the vacation bench also. Because all the three judges who have recused themselves are sitting in the vacation bench. In the meantime, my petition will become infructuous.
Why?
The order similarly placed parties have won the writ petition. That is the annexure P12.
Correct.
Now I have to get the same relief.
You get it in later on when the court reopens.
The property will...
When is the court reopening?
July, my lord.
All right. Which High Court is this?
Rajasthan High Court.
Rajasthan High Court, all right.
Till that time, no action should be
No,
taken.
no.
Because everybody is getting an interim order, my lord. Everybody is getting an interim order.
You will get it in July.
My lord, please appreciate my situation, my lord.
Yes.
Person similarly placed...
Next week, somebody else would be sitting.
I'm sorry, my lord, 3 weeks. The bench, I have put it on the table. 3 weeks, the vacation bench cannot take it up. Let it be listed in the 4th week. Till such time, let me be protected.
What protection do you want?
Status quo, my lord. I have attached a photograph of the property.
Huh.
They are undeveloped.
Huh.
My lord, the basic issue is what? Property in my name
Huh.
can't be handled by the official liquidator.
Huh.
That point has been succeeded by the
Nothing
main
will
bench.
happen in 3 weeks. Okay.
My lord, in 3 months, they will
No.
they will take possession.
देखिए, Mr. Bala Subramaniam, नहीं, Balaji Srinivasan.
Call me anything, my lord, give me some order.
Can't call you anything. Submit that he may be allowed to withdraw this petition and leaving it open for the petitioner to press before the jurisdictional high court for Appropriate directions in pending matter. Yes. Court.
My lord, also indicate that they should be heard expeditiously.
No. Next
Because I
case.
have my lord, I will.
They will hear you expeditiously. Next case.
My lords, item 25, I appear for the petitioner. The only point here, my lords, is the High Court, while transferring, has transferred to a court which has no jurisdiction.
Either here. Now, what do you want? Your transaction has been allowed.
My lords, it has to be. My lords, may kindly have page C, my lords, for a moment. Page C.
You come to your application.
Yes, my lords.
What have you said in your application?
My lords, I say transfer to any one court, but my lords, it can't be transferred. It can't be transferred to a court without jurisdiction, my lords. That would go to the root of it, because in terms of 140.
And you agreed for it.
My lords, that was the consent given by the respondent. He says transfer to a court without jurisdiction. My lords, may kindly have page C for a moment. My lords, I can't run away from trial, but it has to be a court with competent jurisdiction in terms of 142(2). And Jai Balaji, my lords. My lords, may kindly have page C for a moment.
Come to page 2.
Yes, my lords.
And read the heading.
Yes, my lords. This criminal petition is filed praying to the transfer on the file of so and CC on the file of so and so to either any one honorable court. My lords, that one honorable court has to be a court of jurisdiction. And my lords, kindly see page 3, my lords. My lords, kindly see page 3.
Why does the other court not have jurisdiction?
My lords, in terms of Jai Balaji, my lords, it is only that court where the home branch of the payee bank has jurisdiction. 142(2), my lords.
Not dismissed.
My lords,
Next.
No, my lords, my lords, may I only make this one submission then? My lords, may I even raise the issue of jurisdiction before the trial court, because this is without jurisdiction.
We are not giving you any liberty. You take all, please.
My lords, because today what would happen, my lords, it would be like as if the High Court has acquiescence to that court having jurisdiction. My lords, that court cannot have jurisdiction. My lords, I may just be placed to place 142(2) for a moment. Only the bare provision, my lords. My lords, because this is a court without jurisdiction. My lords, may have 142(2).
Next case dismissed.
Lord, Lord, before 27, 26, your lordship took with Lord item 3. Lord, I have also taken instructions. Lord, I will also seek to withdraw. With lordship can give me liberty to raise, Lord, the grounds in my bail, which is coming on 15th of June.
Which
Lord,
matter?
26 is that matter. Your lordship took with item 2 and 3, that Chhattisgarh matter.
Yes.
So that, Lord, 26, I had said, Lord, your lordship posted after the vacation.
Yes.
But Lord, my clients also say that they'll withdraw like item 3.
All right.
But kindly give me liberty
to
raise my bail is coming up on 15 June. So I will not raise all these grounds before the court deciding bail. 15
It would
June.
be open for the petitioner to raise all available grounds. All defenses would be open to
In the bail
petitioner.
not listed on 15 June.
Wherever it is, how are we concerned? In the pending bail application.
Lordship, please. Highly obliged.
Item number 26.
26. Grateful.
पहले 26 में जुलाई में डेट लगाया था, अब उसको डिसमिस विड्रॉन कर दी. Next. Yes.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, it's an anticipatory bail, Lordship. And Lordship, there was the consensual relationship between the petitioner and the
That's
company.
very easy to say, man.
No, it's not easy.
But you
to
can't
say,
get
Lordship.
anticipatory bail in such an allegation. No.
Lordship, we have the evidence, Lordship. We have annexed the WhatsApp call which she was having. There was the monetary transaction between the parties, Lordship, which clearly shows she was only on the rented accommodation of the petitioner, Lordship. Why she is getting so much of money monthly, Lordship? Not only monthly, every 2-3 days she is receiving the money, Lordship. She was
when you
having...
indulge in such activities, then you must be ready to face the music also.
Yes, Lordship, but she is putting a false case against me. She is having consensual relationship with Lordship. And I'm sorry to say, Lordship, she was having multiple relationship with many other person, Lordship.
Thank you so much.
Even with the son, Lordship. No, Lordship, she is having a consensual...
assassinate character of somebody like this, all right? Just for your own benefit. Likhye dismiss. No.
My lords, I appear for the state on advance notice. My appearance may be recorded. Physical appearance we'll give it. Obliged, my lords.
So this is anticipatory bail, Lord, and this is the spur of the moment, Lord. And Lord, kindly see page 20 for a moment, Lord. Page 20.
You assault case with an iron rod, you hit somebody on the head, and you want anticipatory bail.
Lord, may I say, no. Only one page, Lord, 2 lines.
No, what we said just now is correct or not? That the role of hitting with an iron rod is assigned to you?
That is correct. That is correct. But only one page, Lord. 2 lines. Page 20, Lord, for a moment.
We will give you bail if you come, if you don't get bail from there, but not anticipatory bail.
if my lord, two lines, my lord.
Yes. What?
My lord, before the trial court,
Yes.
my lord, the injured person has admitted that the injuries are minor before the trial court. My lord, out of 6, my lord, 3 have been granted anticipatory bail.
Let us see your injury report. Where is the medical legal report?
My lord, page 18.
Page
18.
38.
18.
18.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Grievous in nature caused by heart and blunt substance. Then what do you do?
My lord, only one page, my lord, only one page, 2 lines. Page 20, my lord, for a moment.
Acha, already page 20 also.
Page 20, my lord.
Yes.
First para, last 2 lines, my lord.
Huh.
At the time of hearing, injured Ibrahim and informant were present in the court and said that they have sustained minor injuries. But
The medical doctor will advise the grievous or the...
This is before the session.
This
is before the session.
kind of pressurize them. No, dismiss next.
This is before the session.
All right,
Your
next case.
Lordship, I appear for the state in this matter. My appearance
Very
may be
well.
recorded. Your Lordships, I also have.
Let the whole scam. Next.
Lord, out of 6, my lord, 3 have been granted anticipatory bail.
Next case. You are the one who has been assigned the role, na? Therefore you have not been
Your
granted.
Lordships, I also appeared for the state of Bihar in item 16. My appearance may also be recorded in that. I was muted by the time I could request it. In item
All right.
16.
Item 16 में भी note कर दिए भाई उनको.
May I please, Lordship?
Grateful.
Lots of complaint, my lord, not by the petitioner, other candidates also.
29.
Mass rigging, distribution of cash, silver coins.
My Article 32 petition.
Lord, there is no remedy.
There is no remedy. Acha, then.
My appeal is not deciding by the High Power Committee, my lord.
Huh.
We filed on a 9th of April. Where to go, my lord? 9th of April, we have filed supervisory committee as per the order passed by this honorable.
According to you, the moment you file the appeal, it should be decided forthwith.
No, my lord, 1 month.
9th April you filed it?
Yes, my lord.
2 months back?
Yes, my lord. Not decided.
Dismissed. Next.
My lord, not decided,
No.
my lord.
You want to withdraw?
I want to withdraw.
Very
What's
good.
the High Power Committee, my lord? My lord, High Power.
Yes.
Yes, supervisory
Petition
committee.
States that this petition in Article 32 of the Constitution of India may be allowed to be withdrawn, leaving it open for the petitioner to pursue the pending appeal before the High Powered Committee.
Supervisory committee.
Or whatever it is, supervisory committee.
In a 1 week, my lord, with the
Next case.
my lord, the counting will be over, my lord.
Next case.
My lord, infructuous.
Challenge the election. Next.
1 week, my lord, 2 weeks,
No.
something. Obliged.
Well, the exceptional situation this petition.
What exceptional situation?
Well, the petition is filed was because the anticipatory bail application is pending since March and 8 times the matter is listed before the High Court. My lord, it has not been entered. Second FIR also, my lords, a similar situation is being caused in commercial dispute between the parties, my lords. Entirely a commercial matter.
Every day we keep getting orders from the Rajasthan High Court that anticipatory bail is either granted or rejected. Why is it not hearing your
My
matter?
lords, I have a case, my lord.
You
I have
have a
annexed
case.
the
Okay,
cause
dismissed.
also, my lords, is Jaipur
Leaving it
bench.
open for the petitioner to approach the High Court
My lords, we are already
for
before the
early
High
listing of his pending anticipatory bail application.
My lords will go in the orders category. I will be on
Next.
more than difficult for me to take.
Then you withdraw and run. What do you want?
My humble submission is, my lords, this has
Either you get the order we dictated or you withdraw. What do you want?
at least, my lords, pass some direction to have this.
No direction to the High Court. No.
Time-bound manner, my lords, because it's,
Supreme Court has no supervisory jurisdiction over High Courts.
my lords, just because one last submission, my lords, because in the situation, because my anticipatory bail is pending since March, my lords, it's been listed but not been reached, my
There
lords.
must be some special reason which your counsel will tell you why he is not arguing that matter there. Next case.
Then I seek to withdraw, my lords.
Very well. Dismiss as withdrawn. Next. Simple withdrawal.
My lords, with your permission, may I mention item number 21, my lords? Because I have asked for adjournment for 2 weeks, my lordship. Kindly record my statement and dispose it of, my lords, because the execution proceedings are for CTS number
Very well.
1888, my lords.
We have heard and
Instead of-
item 21 we heard counsel for the petitioner. The submission advance that the execution is being sought for
CTS number 1888.
no CTS number. That the
Because it is adjoining properties, my lordship. That's why they
No adjoining properties, only the argument that the execution is being pressed for a larger area than for which the suit was decreed. Somehow has been dealt with appropriately by the courts below. As such, we do not find any reason to entertain this petition. It is accordingly dismissed. Right.
kindly observe CTS number.
Nothing, no CTS number.
Because the execution proceedings are for 188.
Next case.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
My lords, in item 101, we have circulated a letter of adjournment and we request an accommodation if possible.
All right. Adjourn in terms of the letter.
Obliged.
Grateful, my lords.
Please, Nath.
Yes.
I appear for the appellant in this.
Who appears for the respondent?
Your Lordship, I am appearing for the respondent.
Yes.
Yes, Nath. This is a case where in the second appeal, the decree as well as the first appeal order has been set aside. Just made a short note for the court.
Like.
There was already a settlement between the.
Where did the council go? Huh? He was in 101.
He told that.
Where is the council for the other side in 102?
He's not circulated any letter and we had agreed to do it. I'll leave it at that.
Otherwise, second round we will see.
Yes, Nath.
Very well. वापस कर दीजिए. Next.
Your Lordship, I appear in item 103. We have circulated a letter for adjournment and there's no
Very well,
objections from
103.
grateful. Your Lordship.
Item
103.
Letter.
Item 103, Your Lordship. We have circulated a letter.
And may I have my lordship permission to congratulate Justice?
Yes, please do. Yes.
Many congratulations, ma'am. Grateful.
Yes.
My learned senior is through VC, has joined through VC.
Yes.
Manoj, 104 minutes, you've circulated a letter, Manoj.
Very well. Why do you need a senior for this? That is a circulated letter. You could have informed us.
Lordship, I just got the information right.
All right.
We have also not received any information. We have also received not any information for circulation, my lord.
Why did you not inform the other side?
Manoj, Manoj,
Yeah,
without information to the other side. Manoj, without information to the other side, the letter would not be accepted by the registry.
I have received the letter, my lord. I have received the letter. But may I request for some date, my lord, maybe fixed kindly.
No date is required. Next.
Okay, my lord. As my lord say.
105, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, in 105, we have circulated letter for adjournment.
If your lordship would think it fit, we can kindly keep it in the next week, coming week.
1 week for help.
Short is for 1 week only.
Yes,
Counsel for the petitioner, appellant.
Respondent.
Respondent, you are for this petitioner?
I'm for the appellant.
Appellant.
Yes.
Request for a date.
No, my lords, I'm not requesting.
Your lordship, I'm
You are
for
asking for next
No, my lords, the request is being made by the counsel for the respondent.
For?
They have circulated a letter just now. Yes, she is. I'm not seeking a date, my lords. If it is possible, my lord, if the letter of...
Who said just now next week? You only said.
After, my lord, the request was made.
She says, return it, but next week.
Simple as that.
Your lordship would be kind
Come,
to
it will not
keep
come
a
down.
fixed date, my lord, for this matter.
This man is crazy.
Sir says, in terms of letter, it's only one.
Agenda of the letter. Yes. Next.
Grateful, my lord.
So only requesting, my lord, if a fixed date is there, I would be able to appear in the...
I was giving you a date next week. You said you are not asking for a date.
I'm sorry, my lord.
You have a hearing problem?
Yes, yes.
I said, then you must ask your friend to help you.
Next week, my lords. Next week.
10th of June.
I'm grateful.
Yes.
06, your lordship, there's a letter.
Huh?
There's a letter, your lordship.
Letter very well.
Your lordship, there's a status quo order that may be extended.
Is it limited till today?
No, your lordship.
Then why are you asking for extension?
I apologize. Great.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
The dispute arises from a very small matter. The entire family has been framed just for a small dispute that the father and the family of
It's 107, there is a
accused
letter.
herein. That is the husband of the complainant.
There is a letter circulated.
Please, Manoj, there is a letter circulated, Manoj. We have served it to the AOR of the petitioner as well.
Adjourn in terms of the letter. Next.
After vacation, your lordship. Kindly your press.
My lords, we had circulated the German slip.
Adjourn in terms of the letter.
My lords, may I take a moment to say that it's an absolute honor to appear before my lady.
Yes.
And my lady has definitely